Okay, so welcome to J Insights. This is a platform or a channel for tech purposes and everything about tech and tech solutions that you can get it anywhere for free. So today we are diving into domains and how to get your personal domain to your website, your blog, or any platform that you are on that needs a personal domain to run it. Okay, so to get more things rolling, we'll be driving to what exactly is a domain and what a domain is like, and if you say a domain, what is a domain? Okay, so we quickly look at what's a domain, and a domain is the address people type or something that people type that leads to your site. So anything that people search that leads to your site is the domain of your site or the particular project that you are running. Okay, to get everything started, we have many domain providers over there. We have Nameships, we have many, we have plenty, and today we'll be diving into Squarespace, formerly Google Domains, so that we'll get our cheap and reliable domains for our project. And then Squarespace was formerly Google Domains that has been redirected. And Squarespace can be used to create a website also. Okay, so we head over to how to get our personal domain using Squarespace. Okay, so on your browser you have to type buy domain name or buy domain name, and then you should include Squarespace as the site that you want to buy the domain name. So the moment you come, you will see Squarespace domains. So this is the site for Squarespace domain, and you can see here domains.squarespace.com. That's the domain of this particular site. So we have many type of domain. We have .com, .online, .shop. There are plenty domains out there that you can't even count of. So I will quickly show you how to get your personalized domain using Squarespace on this video. So on the Squarespace homepage here, you just have to type in the domain that you want to put it on your project. So maybe I want to start a blog, a website, or anything on the web that I want a domain. So I want to start with a domain like catrow.com. Okay, so I want to start a domain like catrow.com. So I will just highlight it here, catrow.com, and search if the domain is available or not. The availability of domain is means the domain it's not used by someone, or it's not in the person's name, or it's not in someone's name. Then we click on the arrow here heading to okay. So we can see catrow.com is unavailable, and someone is using catrow.com now, and it's assigned to someone's name. But we have closest match catrow.net, which is available and then can be used. The difference between .com, .net, and then .org and those domains isn't any huge difference. It's just like we have top level domains and we have other level domains. So .com is a very top domain, and then .net is a very top, but they all work perfectly the same, and they work all fine if you set everything well. So I will just scroll in it and choose what I want to. We have catrow.boutique, catrow.discount, catrow.delivery. They are all domains that you can use, and catrow.fashion. So we have catrules.com, but that one is very it's not a brand that I've been looking. They have added Z to the brand. I can decide to choose that or skip that. So for now, I will choose cattrule.org for the education purpose. Okay, so the moment I choose cattrule.org, I will find a cart here that I've selected the cattrule.org for me to purchase it in my name. So we can see here $14 per a year. So if you want to sustain cattrule.net for your name or in your name and run it on your website or blog or any web activities that you are doing, you just have to pay $14 per year on Squarespace. And Squarespace is very cheap and then reliable also, and they provide secure domains that can secure your domain throughout all your life or all your project life. Okay, so I will continue to click on checkout to buy the domain for my personal brand or for my business. Okay, so the moment you click on checkout, to take you to this page to put your mail or the account that you want to hold on the Gmail with. So I will just click continue to mail. So I'll just indicate my first name. So I will continue filling in my details. So the first name, okay, so then I'll choose a password for my hosting account. So any password I go. Okay. This is for education purpose, and this is not an original account that I'll use. Then we have to head on continue. Okay, so it will take you to this page for you to fill in the additional details that you'll be using to host the domain that you want. So you can see the domain here, the domain that we selected, cattrule.org. Org is an organization, so it's just a domain name. So you can choose the length that we want to purchase the domain. We have 1 year, 2 years, and to 10 years. And then if you choose 1 year, you have to renew it on the following year. And if you choose 2 years, you have to renew it on the following 2 years. So it works according to that. So let's choose 3 years as it was selected. Okay, so this is the final page, so we just click on save and continue. Okay, so Squarespace wants to know more about you, the organization that you are running, and everything that you will be doing. So your address and everything that relates to you, where you reside, and the postal address that you have, your country, the country that you are from, or the country that you are purchasing the mail. Okay, so I'm in Ghana, so I will quickly choose Ghana. Okay, so if Ghana is not inside, I have to select it here so that it will fill for me. And then you have to add your number, your contact details to the host. Okay, so I think I have the Ghana now. So I'll add my contact details to the hosting and then add my postal code for the billing. Okay, then after that I click on save and continue. Okay, so Squarespace will automatically or will ask you to confirm everything so that it can use it to make your billings or do everything there. Okay, then you select your poster, then you certify. This option is just for business or registration of business. So if your business is already registered in the system of your country, you can use this section. I certify that my business is registered for VAT, and VAT is normally used by the USA. So since you don't have that estimate, you just have to skip that process or skip that box. So you should uncheck that box, and we can see our estimate total for the domain for 3 years, and this is for 3 years. If you can't afford 3 years and you can afford 1 year to 10 years, it's up to you to decide. So just hit on. So, okay, so I just choose the street and then hit save and continue. Okay, so you will see payment method. This is where you secure your domain. You can see PayPal, and then there's a lot also. We have bank transfer, but it's not loading yet. To get on board soon. Okay, so this is what it will be showing you. We have two options here: either to use your PayPal account or to use your bank card for the payment. And then, as I told you, the payment, you can choose whether to use or to take the domain for either a year, 2 years or more. It just depends on you. So the moment you enter your card details, you enter the date of expiry and everything, then you click on save and continue. You have automatically purchased that domain for your name, so you can get that domain on the mail or the password that you've used. So if you want to get the domain that you have purchased, you just have to sign in with the mail that you use in registration and the password that you use, and you will find your domain inside Squarespace. Squarespace is free, reliable, and then a very good site for purchasing domain, and it's very free, and then it's very affordable. You can use Squarespace to build a good website also. It has an inbuilt website template that you can use to start your own front end website, and they usually manage the back end for you, so you just need the front end to head over. Thank you for watching today's video. please subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the alert button so that you can get the videos as soon as it pops inside. Thank you very much. Have a great day.